Hi guys, so it's Tick the Boy over here. So today I'll be discussing about Bitcoin's price and where the future price can go based on the previous cycle bottoms to the tops. Okay, and the reasons why you don't want to sell too early and all of that good stuff we'll be getting into today. So basically, there's going to be a video on the on how high Bitcoin can go and when it's going to peak out based on the previous cycle data. Okay, and also I'm gonna tell you, okay, that sometimes you might be one of those holders who are sitting on 300% gains today, right now, as you're watching this, okay. But then again, you wanna think, okay, this 300% gain could go to $300,000, okay, within the peak of this cycle, and at that time you would regret selling here, right? So just like the person who sells here, okay, say he someone sold at 8,900 think it was going to drop to 5,000 or 6,000 or whatever. I mean, that person could have never got the chance, and now he must be regretting, thinking, oh shit, I could have just doubled my money. And that kind of mentality is not the hodler's mentality, that's a trader's mentality. In a hodler's market, traders lose tons of money, okay, in a hodler's market. In a bull market, in a Bitcoin bull market, traders are guaranteed to lose money, okay. Hodlers are guaranteed to make money, okay. That's just the basic principle of it. And if you can have the patience and have the ability to just hold your Bitcoin and not do anything with it for a couple of years, you're gonna make a ton of money, okay. So that's basically the principle of this video, and I'm gonna show you why, okay. I'm gonna show you reasons why I'm telling you all this stuff. These not just ramp video about Bitcoin or shilling it or nothing, okay. These just fundamentals and technicals and the aspects of it, okay. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to go back in the chart, okay. So basically Bitcoin now looks, now okay, now this is really important, okay. Can you see that Bitcoin looks like a small line from here? Okay, look at this. It looks like a straight line, doesn't it? Doesn't Bitcoin look like a straight line from here to here? You gotta tell me it looks like a freaking straight line, because it does, right? It looks like a straight line over there, like from here to here. But then again, now Bitcoin looks like, oh, it's gone parabolic, it's crashed, it's going up again. Like, we don't understand what happened. But if you make it small, okay, look at this. Look at this. Oh shit. Some of my previous drawings are also coming up. I don't know what the hell that is. I gotta get rid of all this stuff, man. Hold on. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Okay. So now what does Bitcoin look like? Well, now what does it look like? It looks like a straight line, doesn't it? Well, that's what Bitcoin is, man. You gotta understand that. Okay. So we go back. Okay. And then it looks like a straight line. Okay. What happens when we make it big? Okay. Look at this. Look at that. Doesn't that look like parabolic to you? That was back in 2014-15, man. That looks like, oh shit, it's gonna go up, oh shit, it's gonna go down. Like back then, Bitcoin was trading at hundreds of dollars, man, $700 or $500 or $100. Regardless of where you bought or where you sold, if you had those Bitcoins today, you'd be a millionaire. Okay. Say, for example, if you invested $10,000 in Bitcoin when it was $100, bro, if you held that, okay, if you held those 10,000 divided by 100, okay, let's go to the Google tab, just to show you the potential of holding Bitcoin, okay. If you invested $10,000, you would have, okay, 100 Bitcoin, and at today's price, your $10,000 would turn into $1.2 million, okay. So that's how you turn $10,000 into $1.2 million within a span of 5 years, okay. So if you invested $10,000 over here, and you sold at today's price, not at the peak of the bull market or whatever, if you sold at today's price, you would have $1 million. Okay, that's why you turn $10,000 into $1 million, and no other stock or no other freaking investment is gonna get you these kind of returns on your investment. Okay, that's guaranteed. So we're gonna look at the. So this was the first. I don't know, the previous data is not there on the chart, so I'm analyzing it from 2013 onwards. Okay, so this was the first bull run that Bitcoin had. It was around a 1,547% increase. Okay, and then the drop of it, this is what you call a bear market. The bear market drop was around. Look at this capitulation, man. That's fucking crazy. Oh my god. Like 85%. Okay, anyway, just look at this. Just look at this. That's a 61% drop within a span of how many days is that? Wow, that's nuts, man. I don't know how people held through that. Within a span of 66 days. That's insane, man. Just imagine that. Oh, shit. Okay, anyway, 85% corrections and 1,547% gain. You saw that, right? So, from the bottom of this, you want to take this bottom. This is the exact bottom, okay? We want to take the exact bottom, and we want to take the exact top. Where the hell is this top? Okay, the top is so far off, man. So we take this, and then we put it over here, okay? And then we right click it, and we clone that, okay? So we have the exact same line, and then we take that, and we put it to where Bitcoin is. The exact bottom was over there, right? So we put it there, and then we go over here. Okay, so then we have basic timeline target on when the next bull market is going to end. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna make this a little more dark greener for you, and how I got that line also a little more dark greener. Okay, now you guys can see it. So basically, the Bitcoin bull market, you can say this is all rough estimates. Okay, so you can say that this is going to go like maybe, let's just say, 190 days out. Okay, just 190 days out. That's like half a year, more than half a year maybe. So just to be safe, we're taking this. So the next, okay, let's just say 200 days. Okay, 200 days. Okay, just I want to be at like the beginning of a month at least. So the next bull market will end in 2021 May to 2021 November. Nobody knows when exactly, but based on the previous bottom to top, this is when it will end. Okay, so now you have the date. So how can we get the price range? Price range is simple. You can get the freaking price range like this. You can get like 1,547% in the one of these cycles, and then it crashed, and then the next cycle was, oh god, this is crazy, bro. Okay, the next cycle was from this. Okay, let's just make this a lot bigger, not that big. Go down, get the price range to where we want it. Oh wow, this is nuts, man. Holy shit. 12,000%. Look at that beauty, man. From the bottom of the 2013 peak to the top of the 2017 peak, your gains on your dollars would have been 12,306%. Oh wow. So if we draw that, okay, from this bottom, we had at around $3,200. That's nuts, man. 12,306%. Oh my god. Wow. This is nuts. 12,306%. Where the hell is that? This is what Bitcoin can do, okay? This is what fucking. Okay, I'm sorry for using fail, but this is just crazy, man. This is life changing money, man, okay? And 12,306%. Exactly, okay? Exactly around that. So Bitcoin will peak around $400,000, okay? Okay? By this day, by around by May 2021 to what is that? November 2021. It will peak around 399,000 something dollars. Okay, it won't be exactly there because why? Because we have this 1,547% gain. Okay, that was one bull market also. So we have to take that into consideration as well, guys. So if we take the 1,547% gain, there are two scenarios we can play out. Nothing is perfect in financial markets, so you have to realize that. 1,547%. Thousand, wow. Even those gains are nuts, man. Look at that. Say 540, okay? Did I get that right? 1,547% gains, but when you're zooming out on these charts, it's really difficult to get the exact bottoms. So, okay, looks like I did. Where is that baby? That one. Because these might seem like a small amount, but eventually it makes it like a big amount, man. Those small lines. So, okay. So, 50,000. So, okay, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Based on the previous gains. So, you can expect the price of Bitcoin to be from $50,000 to $400,000. Okay. Um. So yeah, by by May 2021 to November or December 2021. Okay. So that's it. Conclusion of this video is 50,000 to 400,000 USD per BTC by May 2021 to December 2021. This is almost guaranteed, okay? Almost guaranteed, bro. But I can't like tell you that this is gonna freaking like you can't sue me for this shit. Like this is not financial advice. I'm telling you, okay? This is not financial advice. So um yeah. So this is what's gonna happen. Whether you like it or not, you're gonna have to live to see this shit. Okay? I'm telling you, this is gonna happen. I'm gonna put it in like a dark a dark green color, okay? So that's what it's gonna look like. This is gonna happen, whether you like it or not. Gonna happen, has to happen, will happen, okay? So yeah, so yeah. You saw how I took that, right? I just took the previous bear market bottom to the previous bull market top in two cycles, not just one, in two cycles, one cycle was 12,000%, and the other cycle was like 5,000 something, 1,500 something. I don't know why it differed like that, but that's just the way this thing works. So good luck. If you're gonna hold this, okay, you have to be patient, man. You have to have guts, okay. So just hold through it. If you want, you can take profit like I don't know 30% at 50k, and the balance 70% just let it run as high as it goes, because we have fundamentals coming in. We have Facebook coin, we have um, all kinds of stuff, right? We have JP Morgan coins. I don't know, like institutions are moving in. We have Fidelity. They have like trillions of dollars of trade volume, okay, and they are launching crypto-backed product. We have that. We also have a couple ETFs. If an ETF gets approved, to this $400,000 or $300,000 target is confirmed, because ETFs can pump the price, man. If you look at gold, okay, the gold chart, the ETF approval, um, the gold ETF approval. Just look at this, okay, on the chart. Look at this. This is what an ETF can do. Look at this. This is when the gold ETF got approved, and this was the peak. The gain was 446%. That's for gold. The gold market cap is so huge. If you look at the gold market cap, 8 trillion. Holy shit. We are sitting at only 200 billion for 350 billion for Bitcoin. That's an 8 trillion market. And that goes up 400% on an ETF approval. Bitcoin will go up like 10,000% on an ETF approval, because the market cap is that small. So, anyway, guys, and also I wanna tell you guys about this. Okay, don't hold altcoins. Okay, for now, just don't. Altcoins are not the right way to go right now, because if we just go to Coin Codex, and if we customize, and if we go to show Bitcoin prices, and we go to 6 month change, okay, show Bitcoin prices, apply changes. Look at this. This is crazy, man. So the prices which are in red are against Bitcoin, and the prices which are in green are against the US dollar. So everything has crashed against Bitcoin. Ethereum has crashed in the last 6 months. Okay, this is Ethereum has crashed 34%, XRP has crashed 66%, Bitcoin crashed 17%, Litecoin 4%, EOS 34%. Binance coin has gone up. They did like a lot of stuff. Only 50%. Tether is like, what the hell? I don't know. Tether. I don't know what the hell is going on with Tether. Tron 61%, Cardano 52%, Stellar 74%, Monero 40%. Everything is down against Bitcoin for the last 6 months. So you don't want to hold all coins right now, okay? Because if Bitcoin goes to $300,000, I can guarantee you that none of these coins are going to be able to keep up with it. Because if you take a wealthy investor who's trading stocks or whatever, okay, he's not going to come into the cryptocurrency market and look at coin market cap and be like, oh, I'm going to buy Stellar Lumens, or oh, I'm gonna buy Cosmos, or he's just gonna be like, what's the best cryptocurrency, what's the biggest? He's gonna be like Bitcoin. He might look at Ethereum and be like, oh, okay, I'll maybe grab a few Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's all I want. That's all he'll say, and that's all he'll do. And all his money will just come into two crypto assets or one crypto asset. Okay, it's not going to go into all coins. That's what you're seeing happening. That's why all the altcoins are red. Okay, because the new investor doesn't even know what the hell the altcoin is. Okay, he's just saw Bitcoin, and Bitcoin itself is revolutionary. Okay, the technology in Bitcoin itself is insane. To think that money could just flow from one device to another, and there be no bank involved. That itself is enough to pump the price of Bitcoin to it. For the next 20, 30 years, it's enough because never been anything like that. Okay, so it was nice talking with you guys, and thanks for listening. Like this channel, subscribe, and hope you have the patience to hold it through this, just like I am. Okay, I just want to share this info with you guys. Take care. Cheers.